going to witness the enchanting Sohoton.
Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing, boss.
Karon na nato diri sa atong first activity ang Zilipi Sanctuary.
Went from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance. Like,
Okay, excuse candidates no. Sa karon na nato diri sa atong second activity ang Hagukan Cave. So karon na nato diri sa atong last activity ang Magkoko-Ob Cavern and Diving Site. So muna ang ato ang entrance no diha nga part magbaktos lang ta. So dito sa sulod ato na to dito makita ang rock climbing before ta makaabot sa diving board. Hello vlog, welcome to my guide. Now in cave. Good night.
Blaming on your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. I hit tripping with finesse. It only makes no sense. Tripping with finesse. You know it, you know. I hit tripping with finesse. It don't make no sense.
Together with the tour guide, with the local guide. That's a two option. Or one. Okay, perfect.
So diri na human ang ato ang tour karon og daghan kayong salamat sa pagbisita diri sa Sohoton. I hope nga nag-enjoy ta sa ato ang tour. Thank you.
So our activity over here, we're going to, of course, take swimming and using your goggles, like a coral reef areas. Lots of fish here. Okay? So just enjoy and have fun.
I hit tripping with finesse. You know. Dripping in finesse with my baby. Oh, dripping in finesse. You know it. Girl, you know we got it going on.
High Ground Cafe. Huh. Looks pretty high to me.